In this video, we are going to see about the Unit 1. Now we are going to say about the introduction of data and information. Data includes the raw fact that must be turned into information in order to be useful and valuable. To save these data, we are going to create a database. The databases are the place where we can store the data and informations which are needed for our business requirements. Also, the databases are created, maintained, and manipulated using programs, which is called as database management system. About this, we will discuss in the future units. And also, it is termed as database software. Also, information is a data that has been processed into a form and that is meaningful to the recipient. Yeah, the data are the collection of facts and collected as an outcome of an experiment, experience, or process in a computer. The data has been derived from the Latin plural word called datum. Any fact or figure that is collected by the experiment, experience, or observation within a computer system is termed as data. In this For this example, we are conducting surveys, or while conducting a program, we will get the feedback form from the students and the resource person, like that. So all the things are called data. In simple words, a data means raw fact that has been collected from some experiment or experience, or like that. Okay. Next, information means the processed data is called as information. That is, information is a potential function of data. It is derived from the data and it is very helpful to solve a problem. It is very helpful during solving a problem in our business, or while making decisions for the future and better experience to obtain our objectives. Yeah. Also, when the data is processed and presented in a meaningful manner in the desired context to the end user, it is defined as information. Now we are going to see the difference between data and information. Already we have told that data has been collected from various experience and processes in a computer or any other thing. But what is the difference? Information is processed data, so we need to know the certain differences between data and informations. In this, data means the raw fact which has no specific meaning. Okay. But information is not like that. Information is a processed data. So if the data has been processed, then only we are getting informations. In simple words, we can in simple words, how we can say means, if we are if we are gathering the marks of an assessment one, if example for example, I'm saying, if you are collecting the marks of the assessment exams, means all the facts we are collecting, the individuals of marks of an individual means, one the register number one person has got 50, and register person two has been gotten 40 or 30, like that. We are getting all the marks of the students, means in the class, means it is called as data. That is the raw facts come as an output of an experiment, that is the assessment test. Information means, while we are creating a report, means if we are creating a report, means how many members are passed, how many members are failed, and how many are below 20, how many are above 25, like that. If we are categorizing the data, means if we are categorizing the messages which we have, means that is called as information. That is, the data has been processed and it has a meaning and has a purpose. Okay, that what I'm coming to say. Also, data is derived from the Latin word. Already I have mentioned that data has been derived from the Latin word datum, and it means something, it is given. Yeah. Also, information is derived from the Latin word informatio, which means formation or conception. Also, data is independent of the information. Here, this data is not dependent on the information. They are saying that data is not dependent on the information, but information is not like that. Information is the processed data, so it is always, information means it will be always dependent on the data only. And with the raw data, we can't make any decisions in our business or some other things, or in any process. We only with the data we cannot make any decisions, but information is somewhat sufficient to help to make a it will help to make a decision in our business process. Yeah, now we will see about knowledge and information. So already now only we have seen the difference between data and information. So now we are going to see about knowledge. Knowledge means the message which we are getting from informations. Already I have told an example of the assessment marks of different students. So if we are categorizing overall toppers and average students and below average students, means these are the reports we will create. Those are called informations. From the informations we will gain some knowledge now. So these are the average students, they need some little bit care only. So if you are giving the some little bit care, they will come as topper students. And if some not average or below average students are being there, means they'll need more care. So we should explain those topics, and we should take extra classes for them. Like that, we are getting some knowledge now from that reports or from that information. So that is called as knowledge. That is, if the data has been processed, some information we will get, and while processing those information we will get something, that is we will get some messages from them. So that is known as knowledge. Also in this time we will know about the types of informations. The informations have been classified in various in various uh, in various aspects. That is, classification of informations is based on the characteristics and its application, and also its management hierarchy. So we will see one by one classification. So classifications of characteristics means in this we will see three types here: action versus non-action, recurring versus non-recurring, and also internal versus external. And also, based upon the applications, we have two types. It is planning informations and control information, also knowledge information. And then management hierarchy. Based on the management hierarchy, the information has been divided into three, which is known as strategic informations and tactical informations and operational informations, it seems. Next we are going to see about information system. Information system can be defined technically as a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. That is, the information system is a combination of hardware, software, data, people and processes that work together to collect, process, store and distribute information to support an organization goals. So if you are if some information system, a system which supports the organization goals in collecting the data, or in collecting, processing and storing and distributing the information in the in the right manner at right time, it is known as the information system. uh, Further, these systems are used to draw data into useful information for decision making, operational efficiency, and competitive advantage. They can be found in both business and personal contexts, and which includes physical hardwares like computers and networks, as well as the people and processes that use them. The main components of information systems are hardwares. Hardwares means the physical devices like computers, servers, mobile devices, etc. Also, softwares. Softwares means programs and applications that process the data and give information to us. Data means already you know that raw facts and figures that has been collected and stored in our database. Yeah, people means the individuals who use and manage these systems. And processes means the rules, procedures and the workflow that govern how the system is used. Yeah, now we are going to see about the types of information system. Types of information systems are of two types. It is manual information system and computer based. Sorry, manual based information system and computer based information system. Already we have seen that the types, that is manual based information system and computer based information system. Manual based information is nothing but where the humans are required to perform all the tasks. Here the electronic devices like computers, smartphones, mobile devices are not perform any task. All process are done in manually by humans only. Now we will see computer-based information system. Computer-based information system is an organized integration of hardware and software technologies and human elements designed to produce timely, integrated, accurate, and useful information which is used for decision-making purposes. As the name suggests, here the humans will just operate the computer will give all the informations or all the needs of us of our business and objectives. In manual based information, so people only do all the works. There may be, there for example, they'll maintain the accounts in accounts note, etc. But now we have been improved in computer software, so we are now using the updated system of accounts is Tally, Prime, it seems like that. So computer based information systems, so there are a lot of differences between manual based and computer based. Manual based has been used in the ancient days, but we have the risk of losing those informations. But now now the technology has been improved, so we have a lot of updates in computers. So now we can even if the data has been erased, we can retrieve this from various options are available to retrieve those data. Yeah, that's it for today's class. We will in next class we will continue. Thank you.